Hello, welcome to my database, part 2. First one was about the user's point of view. This time I'm going to show you from the design point of view. So here I have my login menu again, because I have my auto exec macro. Let's just show you what it's like. All it is a simple open form macro. So form name is login, view form, Windows mode normal. All I did there is just name this macro auto exec, and that's all it does, is just bring it to your login menu when you open up the database. Now, first thing I'm going to show you now is my coach table, because I want to show you input masks and validation rules that I did for this particular table. So here we have forename. The input mask here is the greater than L less than simply means that everything you put in, it automatically generates it to an uppercase letter first. So for example, you try to put in a forename Mary, and you forget to put in Mary as a capital letter or M as a capital letter, this will automatically do it for you. Same as surname. Here with phone number, my input mask is just simply this backslash bracket 00099. The zeros mean that you have to put in a number, and the 9 means it doesn't matter if you do or don't. So 000, them 3 zeros means that the number has to be 3 numbers. So 044, and then 93 if you want. And then here again with the 000, the 3 numbers must be entered as well. Same here with mobile number. And I have the brackets around this, means that the brackets will always be there. You don't have to put it in yourself to indicate that it's the area code. Here is my status. Here is my validation rules for status, like, fair, or good, or very good, or excellent. All that means is that the user must enter in one of the 4 options. And my validation text means that if you make an error, a message will pop up, and this message here will say why there is an error. So let's just demonstrate this to you. Let's put in C10, or sorry, 10. John, as you can see, here is my input mask. I'm going to try to put in John without putting in caps lock, so J automatically generates to a caps lock. I did not press anything, just the J button. John, same with the surname, so Norton. Address, doesn't really matter. Athlone, Westmead. Date of birth. You can put it in yourself, or if you want, the little date of birth or date calendar here will do it for you. So let's just say, personally with me, I'd rather put it in myself because let's go back a lot of years. See, 04493, and I'm gonna just put in 7 just to show you. Try to go back. It won't. The input mask won't let you do that because there are 3 zeros. So that means the 3 numbers must be entered. So 7, 7, 8. That'll be fine. It's the same with this. 3 zeros were put in, yes, correct, but there's too many zeros here. That means the number must be contained that amount of numbers. So let's do it. No. 2010 GAA, yep. Now, status. I'm going to try and put in OK here. My validation rule won't let me do that, and the message will pop up. You can only choose between the following words: fair, good, very good, or excellent. Fair enough. So I'm going to put in very good. Oh. No. And now it let me proceed because my choice was correct. So that's the import masks and validation rules that I did. Delete this. Yes, correct. So next I'm going to show you one of my queries. I've made different types of queries. I have my concatenation query, so design view this. So I have my 3 tables: coach table, university table, and incident table. Let me just show you. So in my field, I have this. I have course details. That's me, or that's the name of the query. And for inverted commas is coach. That's what you want to put in yourself. There's no hard code. And means it's concatenating. So it'll be coach concatenate into forename in the coach table, and then another concatenation, surname concatenation went to name. The name would be in university, and attended the accident on concatenation incident date. So run this, and what it does here, it brings up a whole sentence. So coach Mary Finnerty went to UCD and attended the accident on the 2nd of the 1st, 2011. So that is just kind of concatenation. Save. Here is my join query. So I'll just show you here now. All this is here is joining the queries. So if I just join properties, that's all it does, is join properties. Join university to coach, that's all it does. So run, simple as that. So no, doctors from Westmead. I'll show you my design view here. All I have here is just in my doctors table, and in my county field I just put in Westmead in inverted commas. That means it only shows up the doctors that are from Westmead. Simple as that. Run. Oh. So health risk is my dynamic query. Enter the kind of risk. So yes. All you do in the dynamic query is in the health risk section, just enter what you want to say in the message box. Yes, no, maybe that gives the user a choice. So here's the dynamic query. Here's my query a query. So design view, all it is really is a query, but instead of like, I'll give you an example here. Create query design. So instead of just putting tables into the query, I will put a query into a query. So select. Oh no, just exit that. No, save. Sorry, to query design. Instead of going tables, I have queries here. So I have all my different queries, so I can just exclude from not from at one. And I can put in information into that query. So that's my queries. Now I'll show you some of my macros. So here I already showed you my all-exec. Here's my change password macro, my login macro, my open form read only macro, and my open query forms. So let me just show you my open form read only macro. So design view here. All I have here is just a good amount of sub macros inside the one big macro, and inside each sub macro I have an open form. So macro. So all it does there, open forms, the coach, it's a form, and here in the data mode it's read only. So the user cannot do anything but read it. The database will not let the user do anything else with it. Same with doctor, same incident, and so on and so forth. So that's all I have to show you. Thanks for listening, and thank you.